Want creamy mashed potatoes with rich garlic flavor in every bite? Today, we'll make easy garlic mashed potatoes that are smooth, buttery, and perfect as a side dish for any meal. Step 1. Prepare the potatoes. Peel and cut potatoes into evenly sized chunks so they cook at the same speed. Step 2. Boil the potatoes. Place the potatoes and garlic cloves in salted water, then boil for about 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are completely tender. Step 3. Drain and mash. Drain the potatoes well, then return them to the warm pot and mash them together with the softened garlic until smooth. Step 4. Add butter and milk. Add butter and warm milk gradually while mashing until the potatoes become creamy and fluffy. Transfer the creamy mashed potatoes to a serving bowl and finish with a little melted butter and fresh parsley. Your creamy garlic mashed potatoes are ready. Try them at home, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.